Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. Here on the SUI chart, the market is still here in this potential correction, caught in the correction. What we are looking at here is the 30-minute chart. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And just to explain for anybody who might have missed previous updates, the idea is currently that a larger degree correction might have completed in April. We were tracking together this 5-wave move to the upside, which played out nicely. The correction started roundabout from where it needed to, and now we have reached this support area. So this is a support area I'm watching. Let me just reduce the size of the box below. We don't need that actually. The overall support area, standard support, highlighted here in orange for a wave 2 correction, which this could be, is between $2.09 and $3.03. And if this area is holding, and if we see an impulsive reversal out of this zone, which we haven't seen yet, then the price could reach to $10 to $12, maybe even higher medium term. Yeah, can happen quite quickly, depending on how quickly the bulls can turn up and everything. But for now, as you can see, there is no setup for directly higher prices. There clearly was. This here could have become something more bullish. Yeah, the rally from the June low, but it turned out to be a 3-wave rally. So it's a B wave. That's the idea. It's a B wave in this wave 2 correction, and we could now be in a C wave to the downside. And if we calculate ideal targets, it could take the price to $2.40 roughly, or even a little lower. Important is to understand that there is currently no impulsive reaction from the low this week, and therefore this is a very plausible scenario. However, if the bulls start to come in, maybe over the weekend, early next week, generate some significant upside momentum volume is coming in, then I would call this most likely the C wave of an extended B wave. Because the move down is in 3 waves into the June low. So it can be that this B wave extends, and it is going to be that feeling when everybody is going to get bullish, right? Let's assume we go high, everybody's getting bullish again, and then it breaks down again. And this is just something that is very likely, so you should know about this scenario, not just one scenario. So you can use the colors to distinguish between the different scenarios here. So to keep the blue count alive, ideally this week's low holds, which formed at around $2.91. But I do not have a reliable setup for this C wave up, but I can definitely see it happen. So if you are keen to trade a C wave of a B wave, which is going to be challenging, this week's low could be an important invalidation point. For now, though, I'm watching for signals the 5th wave has started, which there are none, okay? There is currently no sign that we started the next leg down. So it might continue to consolidate, grind a little higher over the weekend. That's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.